And we're opening with confusion. Always a sign things might get messy. When the court starts with how many, you know there's a tangle of charges or violations coming. Let's see just how deep this one goes.
I don't see an agreement or anything, Josh. Do we have an
I
agreement?
believe she's going to plead through, Your Honor, is my understanding with
To the
Mr.
theft.
Lewis.
Yes, Your Honor.
The what?
The new offense, the theft, she's pleading true to that. She was requesting to reinstate Bates Mill.
Wait. She's on probation for evading arrest or detention on
Right.
third-degree felony.
She pleaded a new misdemeanor.
She commits a crime 2 months after she's put on probation. What are we going to do?
Your Honor, I would request to sanction her for their violation. She's been in jail for about 40 days, and they continue on probation. She would testify that she was taking some stuff for her kids, stupid mistakes she understands. The items she
Shoot
was
some stuff for her kid.
it was not items for her. It was actually you want her to testify. You can swear in. We just again get the details about that. But she was going through some troubles and was taking some stuff. She knows she should have. But it wasn't like she was stealing, purses or clothes for her, things,
That's a crime.
Well, they're all crime. It's all
Okay,
crimes.
that's what makes it wrong.
Yeah, absolutely. But it was,
I love a defense attorney
well,
explaining.
but there's a difference between stealing stuff out of needing to and then or out of greed. I mean, it's also a crime. I understand making that part. The motive behind it should have a factor to it.
Yes.
But I think in this case, Your Honor, I think the probation department is willing to keep working with her. So I'm going to defer to the state on that.
So what was the motivation behind this?
2 months. That's barely enough time to adjust to reporting requirements, let alone reoffend. Judges see this as a major red flag. Early violations often signal deeper behavioral issues, not just bad luck.
The theft, if you swear in, I can have her tell you.
No, what do you say it was?
It was for her kids, Your Honor. She was trying to get some stuff for the kids. Items. What items were they? Okay, that's what I thought. I'm not sure. This was clothing for our children. She was still taking it from Target, Your Honor.
Because of the children?
What was it?
So you did this all because of the children?
So I'm a single parent.
Let me ask you, okay. Why are you testing positive for marijuana and benzodiazepines? If it's all the children, if it's all for the children, who are you getting the drugs from?
Your Honor, those issues are we were testifying about that as well. Is that her condition? She hasn't been smoking any.
She's testing positive.
I don't know. She said she has been around some people that were using, and that may have been what got into her system. She hasn't said she hasn't spoken her directly herself. And the benzodiazepine, she did was having some issues during her monthly cycle, some extreme pains, and it was aunt, right? Was your aunt gave you the medicine? Her aunt gave her some pain medications that was more than likely benzodiazepines, and she took those. And she understands now you're not supposed to do that, but she thought there was prescription drugs, that it was okay. But we understand no knowledge of it is not an excuse, or ignorance of the law is not an excuse, but still, again, we want to go to the motive or the motivation behind these things, why she was doing it. Also, she does have family members that are here in the audience that have come to support her, who are also the ones taking care of the child right now. And we would hope that she would continue on probation and get back and start taking care of her kid. It's putting the burden on the family members to raise this child while she's incarcerated.
So when y'all were stealing this stuff, where were the children?
Well,
What?
my mom.
MLK here in Beaumont at 90 miles an hour. And they stop you at Washington and MLK. Well, they tried to stop you. And you disregarded their sirens and lights, continued until you decided to pull into a private driveway on Adams, and then they arrested you and placed you under arrest for intentionally and knowingly fleeing from a police officer trying to detain you. So that's where you get probation. And yeah. Police are dispatched to Target on East Tex Freeway in reference to a theft. You had entered Ford Fusion and fled from the parking lot, and they stopped you at a signal light at Delaware and East Tex. Well, you were stopped at a signal light, and you headed southbound. A traffic stop was conducted on Cardinal Drive, and then they could smell the strong odor of marijuana.
And here it is, the credibility test. Claiming your actions were for the kids only works until the drug test shows otherwise. Judges look for patterns, and a positive screen? That's a pattern waiting to be punished.
From the car. The cause search was conducted, and they found stolen items matching the description from Target located in the back seat of vehicle. What were they?
They were, most of it was clothing items, some candy. I believe some of it was related to children's clothing items, Your Honor. And then I think 2 of the items were candy.
So a security camera footage is pulled at the store, and you are seen with another person entering the store at about 2:38 afternoon, concealing merchandise in your clothes, walking past all points of sale, and the total value of the items were about $200 worth of theft. What are we going to do today?
Your Honor, I'm requesting if she wants to enter a plea of true to the allegation of theft, and requesting the court to extend her on probation or continue on probation if the court wants to take the plea of true and then come back in several months, see if she's doing everything she's supposed to do. Yeah, it might serve better.
Oh, it's going to get better over time.
Just a second. Your Honor, I think we need.
What do you want?
Jesse.
What do you want to do? There's no agreement, right?
No, Your Honor.
What are you going to do?
I want to continue on probation, Your Honor.
No, I'm up to the hearing right now. What are y'all going to do? You're going to enter pleas of true or not?
Yes, yes.
Is that what
yes.
you're going to be doing?
Yes.
Do you know? Have you had a chance to talk to him about what we're going to do? Are you going to be entering pleas of true to this misconduct?
One, the theft,
What?
not the drugs. Allegation 1, the new theft, Your Honor.
Okay. No, that's not what we'll do. We'll have a hearing on it because this urine sample, we're going to test it. Go through that and see what happens. But it's all or nothing. You gotta
Okay, so we enter.
be accountable and
Let me talk real quick, Your Honor, see if we'll enter a plea of true, both of those, okay? I'll talk to you in a second.
Clayton Rivera. What are you gonna do with Clayton Rivera?
Your Honor, if we can bring him outside, or outside, out here, Your Honor,
24 CR 1671 is called the State of Texas versus Heaven Marie Johnson, who is present with Mr. West, your attorney, and the state's attorney. Did I swear you in already? No. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Over your hand. And we proceed in summary, and does she waive a formal reading of this motion to revoke unadjudicated probation, which was filed October 1st of last month?
yes, Your Honor.
In summary, this motion to revoke unadjudicated probation, Ms. Johnson states that on June 17th, 2025 in this court.
Now this changes everything. Theft is one thing, but evading arrest? That's a felony. It's not just shoplifting at this point. It's endangering lives on the road. In Texas, that can quickly escalate a probation case from mercy to mandatory time.
You were placed on 10 years deferred or unadjudicated probation for the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle. Is that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
Number 1, violation 1 states you committed the offense of theft of property on or about August 24th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, in violation of condition 1 of your probation order. Is that true or untrue?
Yes, sir.
You have to say true or
So
untrue.
true.
Three, you provided a urine sample on or about August 20th, 2025. It showed the presence of benzodiazepines and tetrahydrocannabinol in violation of condition 10 of your deferred probation order, which is do not use or possess any drug that is not prescribed. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading true to allegations 1 and 3 of this motion to revoke probation voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because they are true as they are alleged? Do you understand that a voluntary and knowingly made plea of true to one or more violations of probation, that is enough to grant a motion to revoke probation. Your probation could be now revoked, and I could find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt and sentence you to no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today nonetheless?
Yes, sir.
I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. I see the parties have proposed before the court a plan here to modify conditions of probation and keep her on probation. Is that the understanding of the parties?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is what's called an intermediate sanctions facility, basically a last chance boot camp for probation violators. It's strict, structured, and meant to shock people back onto the right track. If she fails this, the next stop is prison.
And Ms. Johnson, is this what you are requesting of the court?
Yes, sir.
That you continue on probation
Yes, sir.
and that you complete that successfully complete an intermediate sanctions facility, the cognitive intervention treatment track program, which is a 90-day program.
Yes, sir.
And you must understand, you've run out of chances. You were placed on a zero tolerance supervision, which means this is kind of disingenuous, but you have to do good things and follow all the rules. This was required of you from the beginning. But zero tolerance means next one, if there's validity to it, then you're going to pay a high price. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You're going to make the most out of this for the best possible opportunities for you and your family.
Yes, sir.
Do it. Okay. I'm going to find that there is sufficient evidence. Bring this motion to grant it by a preponderance of the evidence or greater, as allegations 1 and 3 are proven true by a preponderance of the evidence. But I'm going to defer further findings and continue you on probation with these requirements that you're going to have to place your signature to and follow. You will successfully complete the intermediate sanctions facility and also follow all the rules. And the next problem that comes up, if it's your fault, you're going to have a hard time not having your probation revoked. But you need to follow this process, and this motion will continue. It'll be hanging over your head to help you, inspire you to do the right thing. You have everything to win and succeed. Do it. You also are subject to revocation by failing to do the right thing. You know why? I'm wrong. This is going to be your choice. Make the most of the right choice. All right?
Yes, sir.
I want to review it in about 90 days, or is that not enough time?
Probably too soon.
Because she has to,
We'll review it in 6 months.
that's okay.
Okay. And you are here, you're on probation. You're just on probation fairly recently. You've got a 10-year term right now. So, but hey, you're required to do just what I'm required to do, and I'm not on probation. It's pretty much the same thing. Follow the law. Take care of your dependents. Don't use drugs illegally. Do good things. There's nothing wrong with all of that. All right. Anything else to add?
No.
All right. Thank you. Good luck. Okay. Anything else, folks? If not, we recess.
You can feel the judge's tone shift here. Less legal, more personal. It's not just punishment anymore. It's mentorship wrapped in a warning. This is the moment that decides whether she redeems herself or becomes another statistic.